Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Today we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the candlestick patterns, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as the different asset classes. Now, first of all, a general disclaimer: this video is only for the educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Now, friends, let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last video, we have mentioned that markets are into overbought trade territory. One should trade with cautious view, trade with strict stop losses. And last week was a truncated week and monthly expiry too. So we were not expecting, a huge moves. And we had discussed that traders should trade for small moves, maybe 70, 80 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty, maybe 100, 150 points. And exactly market behaved in that similar manner. Market did move zigzag throughout the day after opening with a positive gap. And we have seen a market going or market continuing its upward trajectory journey, making higher tops, higher bottoms, which we have been discussing in our last video. Now, friends, now let us directly go to the Nifty daily charts, where we have been discussing about the Nifty channel, and we will see the it on the screen. Now, this is the Nifty daily charts, and we have been discussing about this particular rising channel where Nifty is making higher tops, higher bottoms. Now, you can clearly see RSI is in the overbought territory. Now, recently also you can see that Nifty has been just below its upward resistance trend line of the rising channel. Last two trading session was a range bound move. So maybe Fridays and Thursdays highs and lows are the critical level for traders to watch out for. If Nifty breaks the upper range of the Thursday and Friday's high, then one should go long. And if Nifty breaks Thursdays or Fridays low, then one should go short, or we might see some sort of profit booking coming in at this particular juncture. Now, Nifty is showing some sort of exhaustion at these levels, means some sort of tiredness is also seen, because there was a tug of war between the bulls and the bears for the last two trading sessions. And as I said, one should watch out for the Thursdays and Fridays highs and lows. Once those levels are breached on the either side, we will see the trend following in the coming sessions. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Nifty is placed at 21,650. Below that, the second support is placed at 21,495. Below that, the third support is placed at 21,390. On the upside, the first resistance is placed at 21,850. Second resistance is placed at 21,958, and third resistance is placed at 22,068. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. Traders should watch out these levels and trade in the direction of the primary trend. As of now, for last two trading sessions, the primary trend is range bound, and as I said, one should wait for the either side breakout of the Fridays and Thursdays range, that is high and low of the Friday or high and low of the Thursday should be watched or monitored closely. Once that levels are breached from the either side, if it breaks on the downside, one should go short. If it breaks on the upside, one should go long. So this is the view which we are having for the next week. And as I said, markets are still overbought, or RSI is also overbought. So one needs to trade with a cautious view with strict stop losses. So now, friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Nifty calls. You will see on the screen the Nifty calls. The action was seen in 21,700, then 21,800 calls, 21,900 calls, 22,000 and 22,100 calls. Uh, Sorry, 21,800 calls. The action started from 21,800 calls to 22,100 calls. Now here you can see there has been a drop in option premium, which means that the smart trader are aggressively into writing the out of the money calls. The implied volatility is between 11 maybe 28 or 11.23 to 11.39. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volume. So on immediate basis, 21,800 could act as a very strong resistance. So if until and unless Nifty doesn't closes about 21,800, this selling pressure would remain intact. So if it breaks 21,800, then one should go long, and then Nifty might scale up to the levels of 22,000 to 22,100 mark in the coming trading sessions. Now, friends, let us discuss the Nifty put data. You will see on the screen in Nifty puts, the action was seen in most probably 21,700 puts, then 21,600 puts, 21,500 puts, and 21,400 puts. Now here you can see there was a minor drop in option premiums, so it is clearly indicating that there is at least negligible writing in Nifty puts. So this is a caution which I would like to share over here, or I would like to discuss, because there is no significant drop in the option premiums. So if there is no writing in the puts, then we might see correction coming in at the higher levels. The implied volatility is slightly high. It is between 11.51 to 12.62. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. So on immediate basis, 21,700 could act as a immediate support. So, friends, if it breaks 21,700 and 21,650, then one should go short in Nifty. If Nifty closes below 21,650, then there are chances that Nifty can drift down to the levels of 21,400 on the downside in the coming trading sessions. So as I said, one should trade with a cautious view. And for the week, looking at this option chain of calls and put, 21,800 would act as an immediate resistance. If it breaks, then Nifty might scale to the levels of 22,100 mark. And if it breaks 21,650, then there are chances that Nifty can slip down to the levels of 21,400 marks. So one should trade cautiously. And as I said, there is no put writing, but there is call writing seen. So one should be cautious while going long at this juncture. So friends, now let us discuss the Bank Nifty daily charts. You will see on the screen in Bank Nifty daily charts, Bank Nifty has been moving in this particular rising channel. Last two trading sessions also is in a falling channel. You can see a small rectangular channel, falling channel of last two trading sessions. 2 days there was a doji formation, so the trend was unclear, but you can see the prices has slightly corrected from its lifetime high. So definitely some sort of caution or tiredness is seen in Bank Nifty at this juncture. So we would remain in this particular rising channel. But looking at this particular last two trading session, we feel that some sort of profit booking cannot be ruled out at the higher levels. You can see RSI is still into overbought territory, but and it is on a verge of a crossover from the upside. So if there is a crossover from the upside in RSI, then we might see selling pressure coming in the Bank Nifty also. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Bank Nifty is placed around maybe 48,091. Second support is placed around 47,806. And third support is placed around 47,202. On the upside, the first resistance is placed around 48,477. Second resistance is placed around 48,636, and third resistance is placed around 49,122. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. Traders should watch out these levels and trade in the direction of the primary trend. As of now, the primary trend is positive, but in the last two trading sessions, as I said, the candles were indecisive, were range bound. Some sort of tiredness was seen in Bank Nifty. So one needs to be cautious while going long at the higher levels. So friends, now let us discuss the Bank Nifty derivative data. In Bank Nifty calls, the action was seen in 48,500 calls, then 49,000 calls, and 49,500 calls. The most important thing, as I said, there has been a significant drop in option premium. That means smart money are already into writing the out of the money calls, which is indicating that we might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels, and 48,500 could act as an immediate resistance. Now here you can see there has been a rise in the open interest, there has been a rise in the volumes, the implied volatility is high. It is between 12.76 and 13.44. It is already in the danger zone. So definitely, if there is a gap up opening or a positive opening, then we might see strong selling pressure coming in at the higher levels in Bank Nifty. So on immediate basis, 48,500 could act as an immediate resistance, looking at the volume and open interest concentration, until and unless Bank Nifty doesn't crosses or closes above 48,500, one should avoid going long. One should try to book profits, those who are longs. If it resists breaking 48,500, or even if it breaks 48,500 and it rallies maybe 100 points more, but that rally it's not sustaining, and if there is lack of follow-up buying above 48,500, then definitely we might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels. So one needs to be cautious while going long, or one should wait for Bank Nifty to start losing momentum below 48,400, and then one can start going short in Bank Nifty. Or another way is just watch out for the Friday's low. If Bank Nifty breaks Friday's low, then one should go short. Now, friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty put data. In Bank Nifty put, the action was seen in 48,000 puts, then 47,500 puts, and 47,000 puts. Now here you can see, yes, there is a drop in the option premium, but compared to call, the drop in the option premium in Bank Nifty puts is very negligible. So very negligible, I would consider it that there is no put writing. If there is no put writing, then the trend would be start getting negative at the higher levels or from these levels also. So one needs to be cautious. Now here another important thing is the implied volatility is high. It is between 13.63 to 16.06. Now I feel that or looking at this particular data, I get some intuition that uh, there might or the smart traders might start booking profits, because earlier they were put writers, and if they start booking profits in put writing, then definitely markets might start correcting from these particular levels. So definitely one needs to be cautious while going long, or one should avoid going long in Bank Nifty at this juncture. On immediate basis, 48,000 could act as an immediate support. If it breaks, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might drift down to the levels of 47,500. And if it closes below 47,500, then it might slip down to the levels of 47,000 in the coming trading sessions. So looking at to the overall data of Nifty, Bank Nifty charts and derivative data, we feel that the view is cautious. One should wait for Nifty and Bank Nifty to break the Friday's low, and then start building short positions, or one can go short or book profits those who are long at the higher levels. So definitely the view is cautious, and one should try to book profits on the weakness. So friends, now let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call, and identify one stock. The name of the stock is GMRINFRA. You will see on the screen the stock has given a breakout of a flag pattern formation. The momentum is strong. The volume has rise couple of days back. Also on Fridays, also the volume was on the rise. Uh, the stock has given a breakout with supported with strong volumes. Currently, the stock is in the uncharted territory. This particular level is the first time the stock has entered. So we might see the extension of this particular trend in the coming trading sessions. So swing traders, positional traders, positional investors can buy the stock on dips to 79 for an upside target of 90 in short to medium term. 90 maybe for next 2 to 3 months. So definitely GMR Infra is looking good at this juncture. investors or short-term swing traders can accumulate the stock on dips, or when the stock is looking good on dips to 79 for an upside target or resistance for 90 in short to medium term. So friends, thank you very much for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give in the comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.